How you all doing, ladies and gents? So today we have a TIDRADIO H8. This is an unboxing video. Separate video is going to be on review of this TIDRADIO H8 walkie-talkie, and also separate video on review and disassembly, review of the hardware and disassembly of the radio. So 3 separate videos. Watch out for 2 more videos. And this one is unboxing, so let's do it. And for all my subscribers, in case you are wondering what this is and where I was missing for months, guys, I got kidnapped by vampires and I basically fought them off, and this is a scar. There is going to be a separate video about this one, but if you have a clue what this is, let me know down in the comments. So let's begin our unboxing. Guys, I received this just a couple of days ago. I did not open it. I really wanted to open it, but I thought we should do it together. This I did not buy this radio. This radio was sent to me by TIDRADIO to do reviews, to take it apart basically, and to unbox it and just to mutilate it and make some good content, you know, make some mods. So let's unbox this thing. Let's cut this thing open first of all. I wonder what color they send me. We're gonna see right now. Well, guess what? Audio cut off. I already took out the manual. I already took out the radio. So let's begin from almost the beginning, guys. Manual is color, and it's in English. English is really good. It is 50 pages long, guys. For those of you who likes manuals, I do not like manuals. This is a good manual. So here it says color is black. On the back we have usual TIDRADIO stuff, tidradio.com, walkie-talkie-software.com. Let's open the sucker up. Here's the radio itself. It came in this baggie, which I already took out. Guys, the radio is bulky, which is good, I guess. Let's compare it to H3. Now you see my H3 has a clip, belt clip, right? And without the belt clip, I mean, it's same fatness, right? But as far as the girth, H8 is much fatter, and also as far as the height, it's much taller. Now this K5, right? H8 is much taller than K5. It's about the same fatness, and the girth, it's actually wider. My audio is good, I hope. Let me check. Yeah, guys, so I touched the audio with my beak. Let me remove the battery. Let me figure out how to remove the battery. Well, unbelievable. I think I have to do this to remove it, but I'm not sure. Oh yeah, did you see it? So it's like this. That's how you remove the battery. Yeah, I'm removing the battery so that I could tell you what this battery is. It's 7.4 volts, 18.5 watt hours. Is it 18.5? Yeah, it's 18.5 watt hours. And here it says 7.4 volts, TIDRADIO TD-H8. So let's install it back and let's continue our unboxing. This is a belt clip. Let's remove it and let's install it, and also compare it to the TIDRADIO H3 belt clip. So No, I thought they're gonna be the same. This is a different belt clip. It's bigger, bulkier, different design. But it would fit the H3. So if you want better, bulkier belt clip for H3, from TIDRADIO H8 clip is good, it's gonna fit. Let me install this clip onto the radio. And the second one, I don't know, some guys don't use belt clips. I prefer to use one, even though I never wear a radio on my belt usually. I just put it in my pocket. So this is how the radio looks with a belt clip. Let's continue, guys. Antenna. Excuse me. So the antenna, it has similar design to antenna from H3. The size is similar, design is exactly the same, but on the bottom it is red, guys, whereas H3 is yellow. And well, I'm gonna see later what it says because it's too small. Let's install the antenna.
Welcome.
Okay, let's continue unboxing. We have a charging thingy, and charging thingy from TIDRADIO H3 is a lot smaller than from TIDRADIO H8, obviously, but it does accept Type-C. We have a linear. I'm not going to install linear, and we have a power adapter and Type-C to Type-A. Power adapter is rather small, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put this under microscope as well because it's too tiny to read with my eyes. So let's come back and do that. So here we have a microscope ready. Let's check out what the battery is. Battery, guys, capacity 2500 milliamps, 18.5 watt hours, BP 700. So if it's 2500 milliamps, guys, I actually expect two 18650 elements in here, pretty much same as TIDRADIO H3, guys, even though this battery looks kind of bigger. What about the weight? Weight wise, they are similar, guys. TIDRADIO H3 and TIDRADIO H8, they weigh the same, at least to my field of pens. So what else we wanted to see here? We want to see the power adapter. Power adapter is 5 volts 1 amp. In our next video, in the review video, we are actually going to check if it gives out 1 amp. And finally, we want to see the antenna, guys. So this is TIDRADIO H8. There you go. What it says, guys. It says FM 136, 174, 400, 480 megahertz. And the TIDRADIO H3 says what? This TIDRADIO H3 FX UV 144, 135 megahertz. Yeah. So guys, this is an unboxing video. I jacked up my microscope just for that antenna. In the next video, guys, well, let's come back and discuss the next video. And before we do that, I bet you want to buy the same radio, guys, because it's real nice, bulky and stuff, the way we like it, right? And it's 10 watts, by the way. Here is where you buy it. On AliExpress, it is like $43 shipped from Express. In my case, it is Moscow, but in your case, it could be like New York or something similar, right? Depending on where you live. As you can see, my AliExpress does not show any pictures. That because internet at the moment appears to be sucking something real badly. I cannot get the pictures to load. I guess I need a VPN or something. But it is $43. It's on sale, and you can order it and receive it. Today's February 5th. You can receive it like February 9th or 11th. That's really fast. Link to the official TIDRADIO official AliExpress to this page I'm going to include both in the description and in the pinned comment. Also, there is another option. You can go to TIDRADIO.com, and here you can order this radio for $50 basically, and you could pay it with PayPal, etc. Yeah, so that's that, and let's come back and talk about the next video, guys. So in the next video about TIDRADIO H8, we actually want to review the features, the firmware, install the custom firmware. We want to measure its power, its spectrum. We want to measure the antenna, compare the antenna to the TIDRADIO H3 antenna, and I don't know, maybe something else. We have a Tiny SA Ultra spectrum analyzer, and we have a Nano VNA H3. So we have all the tools necessary. Plus also we have a power supply, and we have a Vittern. With Vittern we are going to measure actually how much power the adapter outputs, and how much power does the radio take. So you don't want to miss the next video, and the video after that we are actually going to disassemble TIDRADIO H8, and we are going to see what chips are inside. So guys, if you are not subscribed, subscribe. If you haven't pressed the like button, press the like button, and try to guess what happened to me, guys, and write me down in the comments. And for now, guys, that's gonna be all, and I'll see you in next video, guys. Bye bye.